Here's a kit I've been working on. Look at it, isn't it beautiful? Granstar with short stack toms. 8x8, a really special drum this one. Uncatalogued, 10x8 Granstar, never seen one before. 12x9 and something. This is a drum that I've previously cut down. And 16x16, 22x16. And it looks so great. You can see the toms look amazing. It just looks really in proportion, you know. Great looking drum kit, great sounding. I'll show you around the other side. Really happy with how it's turned out. So the 8 was basically just a rewrap. The 10x8, it was really, you can see the inside how clean it is. Needed a good clean up. I had to do some work on the grommet, rewrapped it. The 12 was just a rewrap from the 12 that I cut down. The 16 also. Had to do a lot of work on the bass drum. That was a bit of a mess. So rewrap, sorted all the hoops out, restored the badge, and yeah, really happy with how it's ended up. You'll notice the bass drum's got my DIY stainless steel bass drum spurs that I've recently started making. Just looking for my next projects. Part 3 of the 6-inch is going to be coming up because the interior is done now. I've primed the outside, and then I'm going to be starting the 11-inch Granstar custom as well. So lots going on.